Good morning, welcome back. And I wasn't going to do this video at the start. I was going to do it a little bit different, but we're heading off fishing. There's me and Pete.
Morning all.
We're going down Sandwich because we're hoping for fish, and the sky's turned black and it has just been illuminated with fault lightning coming down. It's pretty spectacular. We're going to sit in the car for a bit, I think, until this passes. But I'm going to see in a minute when we stop if I can catch any of it. Quite cool. Don't really want to be stuck out on the beach with a carbon fibre rod though, stuck up in the air. So we'll let this storm pass and then we'll take the walk up to the other end of the beach. So I'll check back in a minute. Right, that thunderstorm has just passed and is going out across Thanet there. That was just giving some really last heavy booming claps of thunder as that went over. But it's gone now and it's looking bright and clear for what's to come. So we're going to get the stuff out of the car and we're going to walk up to the other end, Sandwich Bay. See if we can get some bass. The tide's actually in further than I thought, but hopefully we get up there and get some bass in the water as the bass are coming in on the flood. Right, we are getting up towards the end of Sandwich Bay. It's looking good. The sea's looking good. The sky behind isn't. Haven't heard a rumble yet of any thunder, but it looks like it may be coming. And to top it all off, my GoPro has just become corrupted and I need to plug it into the computer to use that. So all I've got is a camera today. Pete's getting knackered, he's getting too old for this.
Started off with 36-inch legs, I'm down to 32 now.
Blimey, you're only...
I'm nearly your size.
I was going to say you're only about 10 inches short of being my size. I've got 20-inch legs.
I never knew they made legs like that.
Right, we're getting there, we are getting there. We're going to get set up. I like the fact that there's obviously this pressure change, this variation of pressure going on. I think it might be good for the fish if they're here. Yeah, loads and loads of little seabirds out. See if I can catch them. Look at that, water flooding, let's get fishing. Right, well, finally got here. We are probably half hour late to the party. I'd rather have a bait in the water like this, flooding. It's when we tend to get a good bass. We can't. We're going to get a bait out now. Pete's setting up one rod there. I'm going to set up two rods. All fishing pretty much the same rig, same bait. Let's get set up now before this weather gets in and see if we can snag a bass if they're here yet. Right, well, Pete's ready to go. Look at that, that's quite a cinematic shot with the clouds in the background. Looks quite cool, Pete. You ready to go, ain't you, mate? Yeah. Basically, Pete's got his Shimano there, loaded up on his Sunset Mytika rod. So it's a Continental 3-piece. And because of the long walk, we've all gone with sand spikes, me and him. Just makes it easier to... doesn't it?
Yeah, save lugging it all.
Tripods are grief, isn't they?
Yeah, nice little setup, really.
It is, mate, it is. And Pete's gone with a couple of worms, just a couple of lug on a long range rig. And basically, I've got two long range rigs on mine, so it's the same setup. He's got his Sunset Mytika rod on braided line. I've got my Sonic and my Vega. They're all on braided line. We're all on long range rigs and we're all on 150 gripper leads, so it's all the same. So do you want to get it out, Pete? Show us where you're going with it. Are you going long or short or mid range? You're going to go mid-range. Probably going to go 50 yards with this, I would have said. Yeah, about 50 yards. Just over the... Yes, nice, Pete. Nice. Right, Izzy's out. Let me get mine out. Right, so I've got a Vega first. This is going to go in short. It's only about a foot of water there at the moment. I mean, could get bass in a foot. I expect something in the next maybe 15 minutes on this. The other one I'm going to whack out long. Hopefully expect something as soon as it hits the water. He's not happy. Just cast over him. My fault. He's fuming. We'll sort it out when one of us gets a bite. If we get a bite. Finally. Just had a decent tug down on a Sonic. So hope he comes back. Fingers crossed. At least there's fish here. Right, I'm going to bring this rod in. As there's a lot of thunder coming, rumbling our way. I'm going to bring that rod in that was shaking, check the bait, see what's going on. As you can see there, the worm's been tugged off there. Maybe a small bass or something, having a go. Gonna get re-baited up. This thunder is rumbling, don't like that. Out in the flat open beach with two massive lightning conductors. Great. Anyway, let's get some fresh worm on that. Get that back out. Right, here we are. What have we been here? How long do you reckon we've been here, Pete? Fishing. Over an hour.
Oh, well over.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half, yeah.
Hour and a half fishing. We had one actual bite. Didn't really amount to anything. Pete's was stripped, wasn't it, mate?
Yeah, had a strip. Don't know what that was about.
But nothing much at the moment. Obviously, in future, I'll give you the heads up with the venues I'm going so everyone can steer clear. Because you know there'll be no fish there. I'm hoping after high tide on the ebb there might be some activity, and North Tide is telling me that it's a good moon period of moon phase. I mean, North Tide is. We'll do that again, shall we? Shall we do that again?
We'll
do that again.
I think you ought to.
Right, North Tide is telling me there is a good fish activity period just after high, coincided with moonrise, I think. So hopefully, I wasn't making that up. Hopefully we get some fish.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah, so do I. Anyway, we'll check back. Oh, right, I've just run down. Pete was watching the rods and I was trying to catch some skylark on camera, which I didn't, and then my rods just slammed over. Oh, please come back. Just my luck.
Yeah, definitely good.
That's really close, that is, that one. It seems to be another day, not a lot going on. Well, an hour after high, we still haven't had anything. We've done 3.5 hours here. Pete's telling me he's got a fish, but not having it, not having it. Well, unfortunately, yet again, no fish. Pete's getting his stuff on.
Loaded with fish.
You're not loaded with fish, mate. No, you're not at all.
I'm not.
Haven't even got any bait, we've thrown that in. Gonna start fresh. We didn't expect much, did we, mate?
No.
Didn't expect a lot. Didn't expect a lot, but we were hoping maybe to snag one or two, but they're not there at the moment, are they?
No, they're not. And it's been a good morning.
It's been a good
Nice
morning,
to get out.
but it looks like there might be another shower coming in or something.
I think so, mate.
So we're gonna start walking back.
Yeah.
Anyway, till next time, tight lines.